Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram filters not working. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to check your internet speed. Once it is okay, you simply need to check that you are connected with your internet, and then you need to click on Play Store and search for Instagram, and if there is an update you need to update your Instagram application. After that you need to go into the settings and go into the app management and click on app list and search for Instagram and click on storage and cache. And first you need to clear storage and clear cache, and after that you need to log in your Instagram account, and after that you simply need to check that your filters are working properly or not. So let me check. So here you can see that now filters are working, as you can see that. So this is the process by which you can fix Instagram filters. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.